Target. $228.
Looks so freaking perfect.
Yeah, baby. 200 milligrams caffeine and 10 grams of protein. This better be freaking good. Whoa. Wait, that tastes like a cream soda. That is so good. Welcome to my Hawaii room. I have Elise here for the next 2 months. I'm gonna be living here, so this was filmed in January 2026. Yeah. I have moved home since this video was filmed, but I still wanted to post it, so I'll enjoy this. You already know this calls for a room makeover and of course an energy drink. That's why we just cracked it open. I have so many fun ideas that I want to do to my side of the room, because in case you didn't know, I live with 3 roommates and I only get a little corner of this bedroom, but I have an amazing view of the water. Let me show you. This is literally my view out my window, and also this is my tripod setup. We don't need to talk about it, but I just want to make this little corner my own and just like make it feel like home and beachy. I need to organize really bad. Not only am I gonna redo my corner of my room, I'm also just like redoing and organizing my apartment here. I kind of deep cleaned it a little bit in the last YouTube video if you watched that, which was my first week back on Oahu, but there's still so much I need to do, like, and I have so much stuff and I'm already running out of room for clothes, so we're just gonna like organize, get a little bit together. So let's get to making this place cute. Genuinely haven't showed you guys where and what my place looks like. There's 8 units in this house I live in with 35 girls, and I am bottom left unit. So you walk down this stairs. Here is the current situation. All this furniture was like here when I got here and has been through, when I tell you, years, like decades of people living in this house. I literally mean decades. There's stories of people's grandparents living in Hawaii at this house. So I don't even want to know how old these chairs are or if they've ever been cleaned. We've set it up like pretty cute, I would say. Here's our like wall decor, obviously our amazing view, and then this table is actually broken, so yeah, that's just really lovely. And here's our kitchen area. The bottom units have the smallest kitchen, I would say. All the other units have island kitchens, and I actually just bought this dish rack off Amazon because we really needed one, along with this like soap compartment thing. So that was the first upgrade that I did. But I bought some couch covers I'm gonna put over these today, and like the lighting in here is actually really cute. I personally love living in Hawaii. It obviously comes with like its cons, but I don't even consider them cons. Like, we have no AC, no dishwasher, but it's manageable, you know what I mean? I live in such a beautiful place, like I don't mind. We come over here, clothing area. Here's our bathroom, which please don't look at it, I was just getting ready. And our shower area, I just bought us that too because we really needed it before we were like stepping on the ground getting out of the shower, which is fine, but got a little rough. Here's our bedroom. So we each get our own little corner. We have like fairy lights set up. I also bought us new curtains that are like pink to match these ones, and I also bought myself a new nightstand. I used to have this one, but this is like low-key rotting. I don't even know why we still have it in here. I don't even know where to start except for the fact that I have wall decor that has been sitting in here since like October that I've been wanting to put up. So we're gonna open this and I'm gonna show you. Wait, I might need scissors. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. Basically, I bought myself wall skateboards. It's a bikini. You see the vision above my bed. It's gonna be so freaking cute. I just don't know how to hang them up. We'll figure this out later. I'll probably have one of my guy friends do it. For now, let's go unbox my Amazon package. I got 2 chair covers. Wait, these are nice. Looks like a hospital in here now. I literally can't tell if that makes it better or worse. Something about this is like weird. 3 out of the 4 roommates agree that it looks like a hospital and something's not right. It's just not good. I just think it's too much white. The thing is I don't even know what would make it better. It actually
Maybe our house is just shocked. It looks like if you were like walk into like a haunted house or something, and then you walked in and like everything's covered, and then like the people come in, they're like blowing. We brought you your stuff and your pan.
Oh, what angels you are. So does it look like a hotel hospital in here?
Like, yeah, but it's okay. What was the attempt?
Wait, who did this? Not you? No, me.
Oh,
I did it. Yeah.
Stand by what you've done. What do you have to say for yourself?
I was just really trying to make it like cute.
Friends, this is depression in its finest. Just kidding, we live in Hawaii. Bye, bitches.
They're like the skinny curtain vibe. You can't even stick my fat rod through this.
What about my fat rod? Shoot, was that on?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm a girl, I promise. Guys, so let's get Ava in her action shots. Oh, yep. Stick it on that rod. You know how to do that real good. Wait, these are gonna look so cute, guys. Ava's room is gonna be actually the cutest thing ever.
Oh my gosh, so much better. If you're gonna make a fire edit of Ava, take a clip of every single time she dabs and put it to the sound, wake up in the morning, then I dab. Wait, I'll sing it for you. Okay. Ready? Wake up in the morning, then I dab. I put up on the block, cause the day I get to whip, and you know I talk drop, and my car's name is Nene.
You know the words. That's hilarious.
She just like pulled that out of her ass. She was like, let me sing it for you. So guys, we made it to Target, finally. We're at Target to get some room decor and like house decor for my unit, and it should be fun. Ooh, I love this. That is so cute. Wait, this yellow color is even cuter. Okay, we're gonna get the yellow one instead. Ooh, zip ups. I like this color. Do I really need this zip up though? Guys, do I get this zip up? Yes, no, maybe so.
How much is it?
30.
No.
You know what? I needed to hear that. Trying to be organic, you know?
No.
Yeah, Kennedy just found these. Look at how freaking cute.
Because they match the curtains.
Yeah, and I can put it on my windowsill and like, oh, tea. Perfect.
They built.
Wait, this is cute. Wait, I also need AAA batteries for my lamp. Oh my word, this is so freaking cute. What would I put in it? Probably nothing. I can always have my own house and decorate every room. It's on vibe. This is so fun. Where's my husband? This is adorable, thank you. We're restocking because these are hella bomb. This freaking pillow would match my curtains perfectly as well. Thank you. Yes. I like this rug. Y'all see the vision? I need one of these right the freak now.
Why is it blue?
Wow. Tastes like really sweet cherry Diet Coke. Wow. Right?
Wait, that's really good.
This might be a new top 5. This is so good. Shout out to Alani. I love you. These are probably waiting for me at my doorstep at home, actually. Wait, I need to try the other flavor of these because I got the kettle corn one and I am obsessed. You're coming home with me.
Okay, Ava, what do you think your total is gonna be?
180.
Okay, I'm actually obsessed with the flowers. Those are for you.
So unfortunately, my total was 218. You wanna say hi to the vlog? $228. Also, those workers are really bad. Guys, the workers just said hi to my vlog. You missed it. I just got home and I'm immediately gonna try these because I haven't tried this flavor yet. Wait. Cinnamon roll.
Where am I?
Hey, 3, 2, 1. Wait, that's gas.
That's good. Kind of tastes like a, I don't know what actually that tastes like.
That tastes like just popcorn, but like it's okay. Okay, this is my meal today. It's literally just some microwave chicken fried rice. And I'm walking over to Allie and Kennedy's place. And I think Lily's there too. And what's great, oh, sorry for that angle. And what's great, hold on.
But what the hell, boy?
I literally just walk right next door. Hey! I wanted to eat dinner with you guys. Okay, Allie. I just broke my mattress. What the hell? My bedroom is finally done. This is literally taking me probably 2 months to fully finish. I don't even know why. I just kept like putting off little things I wanted to do. And now I only have like a month left in my apartment, my lease, my unit, whatever you want to call it. But I'm just happy that I've like been able to make it my own. And I'm finally gonna just like end this video here with like a final little tour. Because there has been some stuff we've added not only to my corner, but also to this room and the living room. I've loved every single second that I've spent in Hawaii here. And I'm thinking about moving back in the fall. But here's the thing. This place 110% has been tested positive for mold. There isn't much you can do. It's like the no AC. But honestly, most places in Hawaii test positive for mold. It's just a matter of how much there is and if you're feeling the effects of it. I'm slightly feeling the effects of it. But We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. Because like I literally would move back here. Like I don't even care. I don't even care. It's just like the humidity Hawaii lifestyle, you know? It's nice. Okay, anyways, let me give you a tour. I'm literally obsessed with how my side of the room turned out. I ended up adding these two little things in the corner right here. This is from like a little market here on Island, and this is from Target. I think the curtains are probably one of the best moves that I made for me and Taylor's side of the room. And then Taylor, bro, found this gem of a piece. This has been sitting outside our house probably since like summer when Taylor found it in the bins, at the bins. I don't know where she found it actually. She found it somewhere, but she used to live here in the summer. She went home and then she recently came back in January. So all I know is it's been here since then. And she cleaned it off and she put it right here and it looks so freaking perfect. I'm finally finishing off this video because I'm actually headed home for 2 weeks for my little family Palm Springs trip we always do. And then I'm also going to Coachella. So Coachella, here I come, baby. Literally so excited. Here's my packing. I'm just throwing stuff in there that like a bunch of stuff I'm not gonna wear because I have 2 weeks left of my lease after Coachella that I'm coming back for. But like guys, you guys saw me organize these drawers. Tell me how they're already all filled. Like I have so many clothes. And here is the major upgrade that we made for our living room. You guys notice anything different? We have 2 green chairs now. Yay! 2 ugly green chairs. At least they're not mismatching anymore. You know what I mean? They're not even that bad, but they are definitely still chopped. I tried at those chair covers. Bro, that looked terrible. It wasn't gonna work. I also never ended up returning them, so I did lose out on probably like 60 bucks, but you know what? You win some, you lose some. We still have a broken table. It's quite great. Also, a little life updates. We recently had a storm here in Oahu where there was terrible amounts of flooding. That kind of took over my life for a little bit because I was helping my friends with like their housing. Luckily, my house was safe. It's like elevated. Hawaii received like a year's worth of rain in 2 days. Like I have chills talking about it. I saw it like firsthand. It was devastating, and I cannot imagine what some of the locals have been going through. I'm a guest on this island, and I just wanted to sit here and say that now because I feel like there's so many people that think that girls that move to Oahu think they're locals, think they can do whatever they want. I'm fully aware that I am so blessed to be able to live here, but I do not own the land I stay on. I rent, and I respect and value every single local and person that lives on this island, and do not think I'm better than anybody else. You know what I mean? I'm just happy the sun's back out, and honestly, it's just like so sad to see what has happened over the last few weeks, so I just wanted to touch on that. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys feel called to donate. Whatever you can, it really helps the people out here, and it's definitely gonna take a while for the North Shore to get back on their feet. So some of my favorite local businesses have been affected, like Surf and Salsa. Oh, it makes me want to cry. But that is the end of this room makeover, house makeover, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.